Did you know your eyes are home to the body's fastest muscles, allowing them to react in milliseconds? Or that they're uniquely vulnerable to damage from everyday light, much like how skin can get sunburned? It's true. Our vision is an incredible yet delicate system, and protecting it goes far beyond just regular checkups. Emerging science reveals that the right nutrients can act as a powerful internal shield, defending your eyes from oxidative stress and supporting long-term clarity. In this video, we're counting down the top 8 scientifically backed foods that help preserve and enhance your eyesight. These aren't obscure ingredients. They're accessible, delicious, and packed with compounds proven to protect your retina, sharpen your focus, and even reduce the risk of age-related decline. Now, let's dive into the number 1 food for brilliant vision. Number 1, eggs. We're starting with perhaps the most efficient and bioavailable package for eye nutrients. Egg yolks are a powerhouse of lutein and zeaxanthin. The crucial advantage eggs have over plant sources is their fat content. The healthy fats in the yolk significantly enhance the absorption of these fat-soluble carotenoids. Think of eggs as a direct delivery system for the macular pigments that protect your central vision. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that participants who ate eggs daily significantly increased their macular pigment density, which is directly linked to a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration. They also provide vitamin A for night vision and zinc, which helps transport it to the retina, making them the undisputed all-rounder for daily eye defense. Number 2. Blueberries and bilberries. For pure antioxidant firepower to combat oxidative sunburn from light exposure, berries are unmatched. They are loaded with anthocyanins, the potent antioxidants that give them their deep blue and purple colors. These compounds are particularly effective at strengthening the capillaries and blood vessels that supply the retina with oxygen and nutrients, improving circulation and reducing inflammation. They've been famously studied for improving night vision and reducing eye fatigue. Berries are also an excellent source of vitamin C, which synergizes with other antioxidants to protect the eye's lens. A daily handful of blueberries or a supplement of bilberry extract is like giving your eyes a daily suit of armor against environmental damage. Number 3. Carrots and sweet potatoes. No list of eye foods is complete without the classic, and for a very good reason. These orange vegetables are packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is absolutely fundamental for vision. It's a key component of rhodopsin, a protein in your eyes that allows you to see in low-light conditions. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to night blindness and dry eyes. While it may not be as directly linked to AMD as lutein, its role is foundational. Sweet potatoes are actually an even more potent source than carrots. Including these in your diet ensures the basic, essential building block for your vision is always present. Number 4. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines. While antioxidants protect your eyes from damage, the structural health of the retina itself depends on a specific type of fat. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA. DHA is a major structural component of the retina. A deficiency can impair vision, especially in low light. Fatty fish like salmon are the most direct source of these essential fats. They don't just build the retina, they also support the production of tears, helping to prevent dry eye syndrome, a common and irritating problem that becomes more frequent with age. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3s also help reduce the risk of AMD. Studies, such as those published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, have shown that regular consumption of fatty fish is associated with a significantly lower risk of developing advanced AMD. Aim for 2 servings a week to build and maintain your retinal health from the ground up. Number 5. Kale and dark leafy greens. If you're serious about protecting your central vision, make dark leafy greens like kale, spinach, and collard greens a dietary staple. They are, quite simply, the undisputed champions of lutein and zeaxanthin concentration. These pigments accumulate in the macula, forming a protective layer called the macular pigment that acts like internal sunglasses, filtering out harmful blue light and neutralizing free radicals generated by light exposure. Think of it this way. While eggs are a great source of these nutrients, leafy greens are the power plant, A large study by the National Eye Institute confirmed that a diet high in these specific carotenoids is directly linked to a dramatically reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Sauté them, blend them into a smoothie, or make a hearty salad. Consuming them with a healthy fat like olive oil will maximize the absorption of these fat-soluble nutrients. Number 6. Almonds and sunflower seeds. Protecting the delicate cells of your eyes requires a team of antioxidants. Vitamin E is a key player in this team, a fat-soluble antioxidant that gathers in cell membranes to protect them from oxidative damage caused by light. A handful of almonds or sunflower seeds is one of the easiest and most effective ways to get your daily dose of vitamin E. Research has shown that adequate vitamin E intake can help slow the progression of AMD and may even help prevent cataracts from forming. These nuts and seeds also provide zinc, which works as a helper molecule, bringing vitamin A from the liver to the retina to produce melanin, the protective pigment in your eyes. This 1-2 punch of vitamin E and zinc makes them a powerful snack for long-term eye defense. Number 7. Bell peppers. You might think of citrus for vitamin C, but gram for gram, bell peppers, particularly the brightly colored red, yellow, and orange varieties, are one of the richest dietary sources available. Vitamin C is a water-soluble antioxidant that is highly concentrated in the aqueous humor of the eye, the fluid that fills the front of the eye. Its role is critical. It protects the eye's proteins and cells from oxidation, helps regenerate other antioxidants like vitamin E, and is essential for producing collagen, which provides structure to the cornea and sclera, the white of the eye. The high levels of vitamin C in bell peppers help maintain the health of the blood vessels in the retina, reducing the risk of cataract formation and slowing the progression of AMD. Their crunchy, sweet flavor makes them perfect raw with hummus, roasted, or added to stir-fries, providing a massive boost of vision-protecting power. This is your nutritional strategy: carrots and sweet potatoes for night vision, eggs for central focus, berries to fight oxidative stress, fatty fish to build your retina and fight dry eyes, leafy greens as your natural sunglasses, nuts and seeds for cellular protection, and bell peppers to strengthen your eyes' very structure. You don't need to eat all 7 every day. The goal is to make these foods a regular part of your diet. Start by adding one new one this week. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these 7 vision-protecting foods is your favorite? And what's one small change you'll make to your diet for your eye health? Share your thoughts in the comments below.